I'm bored. Well, my computer's updating, so I'm also bored. Let me move this chair. Okay. Can we have a sleepover? Like, you can invite one of your friends, and then I'll invite one of my friends. Like, a lot of our friends are sisters, and usually one of them's your age, and then another one's my age, and my friend, and then your friend. I guess, but who do you want to invite? Like, my friend Trixie. Who's her sister? Trixie and Charlie. Like, duh. Oh yeah, Charlie. I guess. What, you don't like sleepovers? Not really, but we can do it. Go ask Mom. Ugh, of course it has to be me. Mom, Dad? Yes? Can mine and Sis friends come over? I guess. Sure. Which friends? Trixie and Charlie. Sure, I'll go text their moms. And ask them. Okay. Ooh, I want some bubblegum. Yum. Okay, have to... Trixie and Charlie. Wait, Mom. Yes? Can you ask if they can have a sleepover? Sure. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Hello. Hi, can Trixie and, Charlie have a sleepover? Sure. Okay, great. Send me, wait, what time are they gonna come back? Probably 10 a.m. in the morning, or you can text me when you want them to come back. Okay, great, because Charlie has a soccer, practice at like 12 a.m. I mean p.m. Oh, okay. Well, you can just drop them off, maybe at 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Okay, maybe 10, because I'm gonna go do some errands in about like 20 minutes. Okay, bye. Bye. Beep. Okay, kids, if you want, you guys can make a list. Go make a list. Okay, Mom. Come on, sis. Okay, then. Don't forget to get the beds ready, the extra beds. Okay. Okay. What are you gonna make the list about? I don't know, I'm thinking. Maybe, okay, slumber party. Do invite the guests. Okay. Oh, wait, but Mom already invited them, so what's the point of writing that? Well, too bad, you already wrote it. Okay, and I guess have fun, because why not? There. Bruh. Okay, I guess I'll stick this up on the wall. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, let's go. one bed. Time to get the other. Ugh. Go get the bed stuff. Okay. I think this stuff goes on this one. And then there. Oh, looks like our friends are here. Mom, our friends are here. Okay, I'll get the door. It's that room right there. Okay, thank you. Oh. Hi, guys. Oh, hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. You guys can pick a bed. You guys want one of those. I want the better one or the prettier one. I'll take this one. If you want, you can move the bed and we can do it so then we don't have to listen to them talking. And then, yeah. And then if you want, get off. And then you guys can have it like that. Okay, get over here. And then, yeah. Okay, sure. Yeah, my computer's updating, so. What do you guys want to do? Popcorn. Yes, food. I want popcorn. Same. Ooh, I'm going to turn my lamp on. No, I'll do that after I get popcorn. It's literally just a switch. Too bad. Mom, can we get popcorn? Sure. And do you want anything else? Cookies, maybe. Oh, okay then. Weird. Okay, I got you guys cookies and popcorn. Yum. Yay! Ow. Oh. Cookies, popcorn. It smells delicious. Yes, it is delicious. If you want, I can bring you guys like a little table. And then you guys can put it in the middle. Yes. 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 Sure. Okay. Ugh. I'm then gonna have to move my bed closer. There. I'll move my bed. Oh wait, there's popcorn on my bed. When do you think she's gonna bring the table? I don't know. She has to bring it. She has to grab the table first. Give me the popcorn. Oh, okay. I want a popcorn. You know, I'm gonna keep it myself. You can have some. Ooh, some popcorn. Okay. You guys. Share the popcorn, guys. Alright, I'll be going. You guys can watch movies if you want. Bring the gumball machine. No. I wanted the gumball machine. Okay. Cookies. I want to watch a movie. I don't want to go outside and watch a movie. Can we just like do it on her computer? My computer? You mean my laptop? Yeah. I mean, it did update. I don't really want to go out there either because it's less comfortable. I guess we can do it. Oh wait, how am I supposed to watch? Okay, so I moved the table. Oh, some popcorn spilled. Okay, that poor little popcorn. I'm gonna move my stuff around. Alright, I'm comfortable. Start the movie. Ah! What'd you do? You're just gonna sleep through the whole movie, whatever. I need my pillow. I guess I'll watch some of the movie. Okay, well, I guess we're watching a movie. I'm going on your bed. What? Ugh, fine. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Well, I guess I'll turn off the computer. Okay, close it. Okay. Oh, too bad. I don't care. Not my house. She looks cold. Let's move her stuff around without killing her. Or waking her up. How is this working? How is she not waking up? Oh my God, how is she? There. I'll just... There. Alright, I should turn off the light. There. Oh, hi guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then you should give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. My question is, where do they all go? Are they in the pillow? Oh, forgot about that popcorn. Under the bed. Nah. Under the table. Nah. Alright, well, bye.